Are you ready for Annie's smoking pot version of chicken and waffles? Leftover rotisserie chicken, homemade waffles in a waffle maker. Chicken and waffles. Well, sorta. Woke up this morning. It's raining. So if you hear the pitter patter of rain, that's all it is. Don't worry. It's all good. I had some leftover chicken from the Flautas. Oh, I hope you saw the Flautas. It's just a short little video for Cinco de Mayo. They turned out fantastic. So I decided, you know what? I want to try chicken and waffles my way. Let's get cooking, shall we? Got 2 eggs. Whisk time. To that, we've got all-purpose flour. As always, down below, description, full recipe. You can follow it there. And you're gonna mix that in. By doing it this way and not dumping everything in at once, you make sure that you get rid of any clumps that you might have and everything gets incorporated really, really well. To that, we've got milk and a little oil, just standard vegetable oil, nothing special about it. Next, we have got a little sugar. Oh, these are going to be so delicious. I hope. I never know if things are going to turn out or not until I get in there and cook them. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. And then we've got a little salt, a little baking powder, and a little vanilla. Just a little added sweetness. Oh, and you just want to whisk, whisk, whisk until it's really mixed up. Make sure you don't have any lumps or bubbles or clumps. Perfect. We're going to let that rest just for a minute while we season up our chicken. Because our chicken was cooked on my Traeger, we seasoned it up really well, but I want a little bit more spice because chicken and waffles, you know, usually you have the 11 herbs and spices or whatever in the chicken. Well, I don't have 11 herbs and spices in my chicken. I have about four herbs and spices that I put on the chicken. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of extra pepper. Just kind of shredding it apart here, and I'm gonna kind of judge how much I need to make a waffle. So I was thinking I was just gonna add this to the waffle batter, but I think I'm gonna change it up, and I think I'm just gonna sprinkle it on the waffle when I put it into the waffle maker. Mix that up a little bit, and my waffle maker is ready to go. Ooh. We're gonna spray it because we don't want our waffles to stick. Just simple non-stick cooking spray, whatever you have in the house. Here we go. Are you ready? Because then we're gonna just put some bits of chicken in there. Chicken and waffles, come on. I think chicken and waffles is a Southern thing. If you're from the South and it's a Southern thing, hit me up in the comments and let me know. Put a little bit more batter in there to cover up that chicken. And you don't have to worry if when you close it, it splooges out the side. It tends to happen, but close it up, lock it down, and just like that. I think it's gonna take about 4 to 5 minutes, but every waffle maker is different. The mini waffles, there's square waffles, there's thin waffles, so many different types. So you know your waffle maker. Just cook your waffle according to your waffle maker. It's been 4 minutes. So my waffle maker, Farberware, not a sponsor. Flippy kind takes 4 minutes in case you don't have one and you go out and buy one. Look at that. Oh, that's a golden brown waffle, that is. Oh, that's a hot waffle. You know when things come out of a cooking apparatus, just know 99.9% of the time, they're gonna be hot. Careful with your hands. Look at that, it's perfect. That turned out, I wanna flip it to show you both sides, but it's really hot. Look at that. I love it. Little maple syrup. You could probably do a little hot honey if you've got hot honey. That's a thing, right? Hot chicken? Yeah, hot chicken. I'm sure it's a thing. If it's not, it should be. Do a little sour cream would be probably really good. You know what? It's chicken and waffles. Do whatever you want to do. Just make it. Let me know how it turned out. Let's break that apart and give it a taste. Oh, look at that. There's a piece of chicken. Just came right out. Oh boy. That's chicken and waffles. Oh wow. That's really good. The pepper almost makes it more of a savory waffle than a sweet waffle. But then as soon as you dunk it into that syrup, it just takes that level of sweetness back up. It's really good. It is so simple and easy. Enjoy it. I know you will. But as always, I hope you liked this episode. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye. Try that. That's really good.